Bonjour tout le monde, j'espère que vous allez bien and welcome back to my YouTube channel Learn French with Anubhav. In today's video, we are finally going to complete solving the CBSE Class 10 French Sample Paper 2025-26 batch. And yes, we are going to complete it finally. It took a bit of a time because got occupied with certain things lately, but I assure you that I'll be more regular with the uploads now. Fair enough. So, question number 3 is the last question. We are done with everything else. Parmi des questions suivantes, 3A, 3B, 3C, abordez de au choix. Out of the 3 parts of question number 3, you have to attempt any 2. First question, 3A, c'est l'anniversaire de mariage de vos parents et vous allez organiser une soirée pour eux. Rédigez une invitation à votre ami Français, Française, lui invitant pour la soirée. Just a minute. Got kinda terrible cold, but it's alright. So, you have the message right in front of you. Box is compulsory. If a letter box is optional, you may make a box to improve your presentation. But for a message writing question, box is compulsory. Box carries marks. The complete date we have here, vendredi le 7 novembre, the day on which I'm recording this video. Chez Pierre, you are inviting your French friend, right? That's why I wrote the French name. Chez Pierre. Comment vas-tu? J'espère que tu vas bien. How are you? I hope you're doing well. Je suis heureux de t'inviter à la soirée de l'anniversaire de mariage de mes parents, le 13 novembre à l'hôtel Radisson Blu. Rather, in French, the pronunciation would be like Radisson Blu. Okay? Dwarka à 18h. So, whenever you are inviting someone, the date, the place, and the time, these 3 details you have to create by yourself. Okay? Because without these, you can't really have an invitation, isn't it? So, one more thing, the occasion is already provided in the question itself, so that also needs to be mentioned that, okay, I'm happy to invite you to the party of the wedding anniversary of my parents on the 13th November at the Radisson Blu Hotel, Dwarka, at 6 o'clock, 6 p.m. Okay, if you're writing in French, you would have to follow the 24-hour system. Tous nos amis viendront. All our friends are coming. You can add one more line. Confirme-moi ta présence. Confirm me your presence. Nous nous amuserons beaucoup. Oh, I missed writing an S. Nous nous amuserons beaucoup. We are going to enjoy a lot. We will enjoy a lot rather. Your friend XYZ, you write like this, you're gonna get at least 4.5 to 5 on 5. Okay? Now, this time in the sample paper, the question was slightly different for Mettez dialogue en ordre. Mettez dialogue en ordre en remplissant les blancs par les phrases données dans la boîte ci-dessus. Slightly different approach. The entire dialogue is not given in the form of a question. Rather, you have some dialogues missing in between, and below you have a box from which you would have to choose. So in this question, you would have to rewrite the whole thing. If you get a similar pattern of question, in this type of question as well, you would have to rewrite the whole thing with these dialogues included and underlined. Okay? That's how you will present such answers. But nonetheless, we got to read the entire question. Bonjour coach, je voulais parler avec vous pour savoir comment rester en pleine forme. So athlete is asking the coach, like, hello, I wanted to speak to you to know how to stay healthy. Coach, bonjour, bien sûr, c'est essentiel pour tes performances. Dis-moi comment est ton programme actuel. So, of course, it is essential for your performances. Tell me what's your current program. So, je m'entraîne 6 jours par semaine, mais parfois, je me sens fatigué. Est-ce normal? So, I train myself 6 times a week, But sometimes I feel tired. Is this normal? Coach, oui, si ton corps ne récupère pas assez. Le repos et le sommeil sont aussi importants que l'entraînement. Definitely, huh? Yes, if your body isn't recuperate, like you can say rejuvenate, yeah, isn't rejuvenated enough, the rest and the sleep is also important for training. Is as important as training. Aussi que as important as training. Athlete, the athlete has said, d'accord, je vais essayer de mieux dormir et pour l'alimentation que dois-je changer? So okay, I'm going to try to sleep well, and for eating, what should I change? Coach, privilégie les protéines, les glucides complexes et les légumes. Évite les aliments transformés et bois beaucoup d'eau. So focus on proteins, vegetables, etc., and avoid these transformed food, perhaps the preserved food items, and drink a lot of water. Okay. Then athlete says, Samash, est-ce que je dois ajouter des exercices que je ne fais pas encore? That works. Do I need to add some exercises that uh, I don't do yet? Not yet. Coach says, peut-être des étirements et du yoga. I have no clue what étirement is, but yoga is yoga. I am aware of it. Cela améliore la souplesse et réduit les risques de blessure. Of course, such exercises decreases the risk of blisters, right, of injuries. Uh, Rather injuries. Blessure, injuries is the correct translation. Nonetheless, athlète, super idée. Et mentalement, comment rester motivé tout le temps? So, superb idea. And mentally, how to stay motivated throughout the day? Fixe-toi des objectifs réalistes et prends plaisir dans ce que tu fais. C'est la clé pour rester en forme sur le long terme. So fix some realistic objectives and take pleasure in everything you do. This is the key for staying informed, rather in staying healthy for the long term. Okay. Lastly, say you are going to have 7 words, but final answers will be only 5. 2 words are there to confuse you. Le Petit Prince, un roman célèbre écrit par Antoine de Saint-Exupéry, raconte l'histoire d'un petit garçon qui vient d'une autre planète. So, The Petit Prince, Little Prince, a famous novel written by Antoine de Saint-Exupéry, that is the story of a young boy who came from a different planet. Il voyage et rencontre des personnages intéressants comme un roi, un vaniteur et un renard. So he travels and meets numerous interesting personalities. Ce livre parle de l'amitié, de l'amour et de l'importance de voir avec le cœur. So this book talks about the friendship, the love, and the importance of seeing with the heart. Les dessins simples et les phrases pleines de sagesse rendent ce livre facile à lire pour tout. So les dessins, the simple drawings and the sentences full of wisdom makes the book easy to read for all. That's why a lot of beginners are recommended to read Le Petit Prince in French. C'est une belle leçon sur la vie. It is a good lesson on the life. With this, CBSE Class 10 sample paper done. Now time to shift to CBSE Class 12 for a few weeks. So from the next long video, because I'm planning to make a few short videos in between, from the next long video onwards, we are going to start CBSE Class 12 sample paper solving. That's all for today. See you in the next video. Au revoir, n'oubliez pas que langue française est l'amour.